guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm working in partnership with Beckett Simonon yet again. They sent over a really beautiful crossbody bag that I'm going to unbox shortly, and I'm going to show you how I would personally style it. Before I get started, I wanted to just talk about the new space that I'm in. We moved, and if you haven't seen my previous two videos where we went apartment hunting and we finally moved into our new apartment, I gave you guys an empty apartment tour. I'm going to link them down below if you haven't seen them yet, but I'm so excited to be in this new space. This is officially my first time filming in the new space. I'm still getting used to the lighting and where I want to sit and all of the good things, but I'm so excited to be here, and I'm really excited to be sharing this new journey with all of you on YouTube and on social media. So I hope that you'll enjoy. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, we've got some scissors here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Oh, she's strong. Cute. It comes in its own little dust bag. So this is the little dust bag that it comes in, and honestly the shoes that they sent me prior to also came in their own little dust bag, so I really appreciate how much effort and delicacy they take when it comes to their products. Let's open it. Oh my god, wait, this is stunning. She is perfect. Wow, I'm shocked. I'm shooketh. I feel like this is such a great piece to add to your closet. I mean, honestly, you can never go wrong with a little black bag. It's just classic in my opinion. It pairs well with so many different clothing items. It smells like genuine leather. The craftsmanship that goes into making one of these, I mean, it's just so beautiful. I'm really obsessed with this. Like, it's so cute, and it's just like prettiest bag. Let me take the straps out so that we can get the full effect. Wow, just beautiful. I don't know what more I could ask for. It's so pretty. It has this little hook here so you can adjust the length of the strap if you wanted to, and it has this little pocket which clips. It unclips there, and then you can just clip it back. Okay, now we're gonna open it, see inside. Sometimes I'll hold onto the paper just because I want it to keep its shape. So like if I'm not gonna use it right away, then I like to keep it in its shape and like its form. So stuffing it is like the best way to do that. I do the same thing with like my boots or anything that I will tend to like fold over and crease. Especially leather, like it's really important that this material is taken really good care of. So here's what the inside looks like, and it's pretty spacious, to be honest. It's pretty deep. It does have a little pocket in here. This is honestly like a perfect everyday bag. I feel like I can wear this out to run errands, and I can also wear it to like a nice dinner. I have to show you guys how I would style it, but I'm so obsessed with this already. So first, take a plain white t-shirt. I tucked mine in all the way around, and then I took a belt and threw that on just so that way it kind of like pulls the look together. And then I'm wearing these like little black strappy kitten heels that I absolutely love. After that, I took a sweater, folded it over, and then threw it over my shoulders, kind of adjusted it a little bit so that it's nice and comfortable. And then of course I took my Cali crossbody, threw that on, and it just really made the outfit. It looks so cute. I love it. I'm literally obsessed. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you want to get your hands on this bag, make sure you click the link down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time. Bye!